splash water on my face. I splash water on my face. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I slip into my slippers. I slip into my slippers. I flip on the light. I flip on the light. I scrub my back. I scrub my back. I tug on my socks. I tug on my socks. I button my shirt. I button my shirt. I zip up my jacket. I zip up my jacket. I glance at the mirror. I glance at the mirror. I pat down my hair. I pat down my hair. I grab my backpack. I grab my backpack. I head out the door. I head out the door. I crack an egg. I crack an egg. I pour some milk. I pour some milk. I butter my toast. I butter my toast. I flip the pancake. I flip the pancake. I wipe the counter. I wipe the counter. I toss the trash. I toss the trash. I rinse my plate. I rinse my plate. I load the dishwasher. I load the dishwasher. I snack on a cookie. I snack on a cookie. I peek in the fridge. I peek in the fridge. I dodge a puddle. I dodge a puddle. I hop on the bus. I hop on the bus. I fumble with my keys. I fumble with my keys. I hail a cab. I hail a cab. I trip on the curb. I trip on the curb. I cling to the railing. I cling to the railing. I sprint to the gate. I sprint to the gate. I stall at the crosswalk. I stall at the crosswalk. I bump into a friend. I bump into a friend. I swap my shoes. I swap my shoes. I stuff my hands in pockets. I stuff my hands in pockets. I wander through the park. I wander through the park. I wave at my neighbor. I wave at my neighbor. I hold the door open. I hold the door open. I mutter sorry. I mutter sorry. I nod along. I nod along. I flip the page. I flip the page. I jot down a note. I jot down a note. I tap my pencil. I tap my pencil. I slouch in my chair. I slouch in my chair. I kick off my shoes. I kick off my shoes. I flop on the couch. I flop on the couch. I flick off the lamp. I flick off the lamp. I tuck myself in. I tuck myself in. I fluff my pillow. I fluff my pillow. I drift off to sleep. I drift off to sleep. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next lesson.